How to process your quote order. Type website URL www.myla.in/partners into the address bar. The opened web page will look like this. For registered users, enter your email or registered mobile number and password to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, the window will look like this. After logging into your account, go to the Add Quotes section to add, update, or delete quote category for your services that you want to quote for. Add quotes. Here, you can add a quote category for the services you offer. Select your city. Choose your quote category. Quote item. Subcategory. Subquote item. And then, enter your quote charge and emergency charge. Then, click on the Add button. Please note, quote charge is an average quote price that you have to mention for your service, and can be changed later. Emergency charge is an extra charge that will be paid for delivering services in the emergency hours. You can add one quote category at a time for your service. If you want to add more than one service, then you have to repeat the process. Again, add another quote category, quote item, subcategory, quote sub-item, your quote charge, and emergency charge. Update quotes. Here, you can update a quote category for your service. Select your city. Choose your quote category, quote item, subcategory, and quote sub-item. Then, click on the Update button. Delete quote. If you no longer want to deliver any service, you can delete your quote category, quote item, subcategory, quote sub-item, quote charge, and emergency charge. Select your city. Choose your quote category, quote item, subcategory, and quote sub-item. And then, click on the Delete button. Slot settings. Quote settings. In this section, you can add, update, and delete your quote delivery, date and time. Add quote slots. Choose your city. Select the quote category, quote item, subcategory, and quote sub-item for which you want to add the date and time slot. Select the days for delivering services. Choose the time to provide your services. Click on the Submit button. Update quote slots. Choose your city. Select the quote category, quote item, subcategory, and quote sub-item for which you want to add the date and time slot. Select the days for delivering services. Choose the time to provide your services. Click on the Update button. Delete quote slots. You can delete your quote slots here. How to view and respond to new quotes? For this, you need to head over to the Quotes section. My Quotes. In this section, you can see the quotes sent to you. You can search your new quotes by date or recent 10. If you select recent 10, you will see your last 10 quotes here. If you want to view your course between the particular dates, you have to choose Date option and select the dates from the available calendar. Click on the plus icon to view the details of a quote. See your quote details and respond to the quote here. Click here to respond to your quote. A window will open like this. Enter your response here and click on the Submit button. Important terms to be kept in mind. Edit quote response. If you want to change your quote response sent earlier, you can view and edit your quote response here. Click here to edit your response. Once a quote sent by you gets accepted by the client, an order is assigned to you, then you can see it in the Edit Tasks in the Order section. Now you can start processing the order. Click on the Choose Action button and select Start from the list. Add remarks for the order. After entering the remarks, click on the Submit button. Click on Yes. Congratulations, you have successfully started processing your order. Once you are done with the order, go to the Edit Task option in the Orders section. Click on the plus icon to view the quote order details. Now click on the Choose Action button and select Finish from the list. Enter the OTP received from the client. This OTP is essential to finish the quote process. Enter the remarks and then click on the Submit button. This finishes the quote order process. In case you are facing any problem, you can get in touch at our number or email ID for assistance.